Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing additional mathematics. Additional mathematics for Igcse students whose syllabus code is 0606 and O level students whose syllabus code is 4037. Students, as you know, we have started chapter number 1 from this book and we have completed exercises 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. And in last class, we have completed exercise 1.5 question number 1 and 2. So today our target is to do question number 3. What is question number 3? You can see on the screen. Draw the graphs of each of the following functions. Part A, B, C, D, and E. Students, you know, these are absolute valued function, and I already told you that the graph of absolute valued function is always V-shaped. V-shaped means like this. This is the graph of absolute valued function. So let's start part A. We are going to start part A. Y is equals to absolute valued function x plus 1. In order to draw the graph of absolute valued function, first we have to draw a graph of a straight line. It means first we will not consider absolute valued function. We just rewrite our equation in this form. This is absolute x, so we just write this is without absolute sign. So it is just x plus 1. So this is our straight line y is equals to x plus 1. First, we have to find y-intercept. How to find y-intercept? We just compare the given equation with the standard form of straight line equation, which is y is equals to mx plus c, where c where c is y-intercept. So if I assign the name of this equation is equation number 1 and this equation number 2, and if we compare equation number 1 and equation number 2, we can see that the value of c by comparing equation number 1 and 2 is 1. Therefore, from this equation our y-intercept is 1. Now find the value of gradient m. What is m? M is the coefficient of x. So in equation number 1, coefficient of x is nothing, and we must know if nothing then 1. Therefore the value of the gradient is 1. Now we have to draw the straight line y is equals to x plus 1. In order to draw, we need first to draw the perpendicular lines like this. I'm going to show you. This is our vertical line, and next we will draw horizontal line. This one. how long these two lines are no matter. Assign the name of x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y. And this point is origin where two lines are intersect each other. Now, in order to draw the line of equation number 1 y is equals to x plus 1, first we have to point out our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is 1. You can take 1 square is 1 or 2 square is 1, no matter. So I am taking 1 square is 1. This is our y-intercept. Now, see this value of gradient m is equals to 1. What is the formula of gradient? The formula of gradient is rise upon run. So rise upon run means if you make this y-intercept as a reference point, rise upon run, in this case the value of rise is 1 and also the value of run is 1, because if there is no denominator, we can say the denominator is 1. Now, for our reference point, which is y-intercept 1, we moved rise means above 1. This is the first point. This is the first point. Then move rise, then run. This is the second point. Then rise, then run. Third point, then rise, then run, and so on. Join all these 4 points. Join all these 4 points with the help of scale. So I am joining these 4 points. So this is the straight line. But student, as you know, the graph of this is not our target. Our target is to draw the graph of this function, absolute valued function. Y is equals to modulus or absolute x plus 1. And this graph which we have drawn, this is the straight line. So first, I repeat all steps again. First, draw the straight line, means without the absolute sign. How to draw? By using y-intercept and gradient. Then a very important point is the vertex. If you know the vertex, then the remaining part of the graph easily drawn with the help of vertex. How to find vertex? Take the equation again. What is our equation? Y is equals to modulus of x plus 1. Vertex means v, you need the value of x and the value of y. So the value of y in this case is 1. Easily y is equals to x, y is equals to absolute x plus 1. So this is the value of y. So our vertex is x comma 1. How to find the value of x? Just rewrite the equation y is equals to, this is absolute x, you can write this one is x minus 0 plus 1. So x minus 0, if you write x minus 0 or if you write x plus 1, no matter. X minus 0 plus 1 is also x. Therefore, this value, this point is represent the value of x. Therefore, our vertex is x is 0 and y is 1. This is our vertex. Another shortcut is to find the value of vertex, just put the value of x 0 to get the value of y, and put the value of y is 0 to get the value of x. But in this method, you can make mistakes. But this method, which I tells you that how to find the vertex, just take this y is equals to modulus of x plus 1. So this value represent the value of y, and write the equation in this form, x minus 0. So this is the value of x. Hence our vertex is 0, 1. Now see our graph. Where is the vertex? This point, this y-intercept is our vertex. So this is our vertex V, where the value of x is 0, there the value of, and the value of y is 1. Student, if your teacher give you other method to find the vertex and you feel comfort on that method, then carry on. So there are so many method in maths. So you can apply the method where you feel comfort, but the answer should be correct. If the vertex is 0, 1, then if you apply any method, the vertex should be 0, 1. Now, because we know the vertex, then we can easily find this vertex line is our mirror line. So we have to reflect all points. This point 0, 1 is on mirror line, therefore this point will not reflect. This point is from 1 square from right, this should be 1 square left. This is 2 square left. This is 3 square left. And this is obviously 4 square left. By using scale, we have to we have to join all these 4 points. All these 4 points. Here we go. This is the final answer. Hope you complete understand that how to draw the graph of absolute valued function. This is question number 3, part A. Now we are moving towards question number 3, part B. Because you completely understand, so I am increasing my speed. Part B, y is equals to modulus of x minus 3. Then first we have to write without modulus sign, then comparing this by the equation of standard equation of straight line. Here y-intercept after comparing -3 and gradient is again 1. So rise upon run 1 upon 1, and vertex v vertex v is, you can see, x minus 0. You can rewrite this equation is y is equals to x minus 0 minus 3, the value of x 0 and the value of minus 3. So we have already we have find the vertex, the y-intercept and the gradient. Now need to draw perpendicular line. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. Because we need a negative intercept, so I left more margin on negative y-axis. You can see this one, negative y, positive x, positive y, negative x, and this is our intercept. So first we have to draw the straight line equation number 1, y is equals to x minus 3. First we have to locate -1, -2, -3. 1 square, I take 1 square is 1. This is our y-intercept, and rise upon run is 1 1. So rise upon run is, this is rise 1 1, then rise 1, then run 1, then rise 1, then 1, then rise, then, and so on. Now join all these points to get our straight line. How many points you have to locate? At least 4 or 5 or 6, as you wish. Now what is our vertex? Our vertex is 0 minus 3. So this is our vertex. So this vertex line is also the mirror line. So we have to reflect all these points, because this point vertex 0 minus 3 is on mirror line. Therefore we won't reflect this, but we have to reflect this. This is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. With the help of scale, we have to join all these all 4 points. See this. Here we go. We are successful to draw the graph of part B. That is, again, you can see the V-shaped graph. So you must know, after doing so many questions, we are fully able to say that the graph of absolute valued function or modulus function is always a V-shaped graph. Now we are going to start part C. Part C is y is equals to 2 minus x absolute. So first we have to write the equation y is equals to minus x absolute plus 2. We just rewrite the equation. If we write x first, then constant after x, then it will be easy to understand. Now same steps we will follow. Y is equals to, write the equation without the absolute sign, minus x plus 2. This is equation number 1. Next, write the equation, standard equation, y is equals to mx plus c. Equation number 2, compare, so you will get the y-intercept is 2, and then your gradient is minus 1, because the coefficient of x is minus sign, therefore we have to write minus 1, and our rise upon run, in this case, minus 1 upon 1, and our vertex is, you can see, our vertex is 0, because there is no number except x in absolute value sign, and this value represent y, so our vertex is 0 2. Now first we have to draw a straight line. This is equation number 1. We are going to draw this line. This is y-axis, and this is x-axis. X, y, negative x, and negative y. Again, what is the first step? The first step to locate y-intercept. This is y-intercept. 1, you can take 1 square is 1. So 1, and this is 2. This is our y-intercept, 2. Okay, students. Now draw the straight line. What is our gradient? Minus 1 upon 1. So minus 1 means move below 1 and right 1. Then below 1 and right 1, right side 1. Minus means below, plus means above, and then minus 1 on right side, and join these 4 points with the help of a scale. Here we go. Now, what is our vertex? See carefully. Our vertex is 0, 2. So this is our vertex 0, 2. Student, as you know, the graph of absolute valued function is always a V-shaped graph. But there are two kind of V-shaped graph. One is erect V and other is inward V. If the coefficient of x in the given question, like in part, or you can say if the coefficient of absolute valued function is negative, like in part C, then the graph is inward V. And if the coefficient of the absolute valued function is positive, the graph is erect V-shaped like this. So in this case, part C, you can see y is equals to 2 minus absolute x. Therefore, the graph should be the inward V shape. So this is our mirror line. Mirror line means where the vertex located. So this point is on mirror line, therefore this point can't move, but this point is on right side 1, therefore left side 1, and 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3. Join these 4 points. Join these 4 points. So this is our V-shaped graph, but in this case the shape is invert. Hope you understand. I repeat again, if you see the negative sign with absolute valued function, then the graph is always invert V-shaped. Hope you understand. Going to start part D. What is part D? Y is equals to x minus 3 plus 1. First, we have to write the equation without absolute valued function, x minus 3 plus 1. Then we have to write, first we have to simplify. X minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Assign the name of the equation is equation number 1. Now compare this by mx plus c, equation number 2. From this you can see your y-intercept is minus 2 and the gradient again 1. It means rise upon run is 1 upon 1 and the vertex is this represent x means 1 and this is x minus 3, so x minus 3 must be equals to 0, therefore x is equals to 3. So in this case our vertex is 1 comma 3. Very interesting part D. You have learned in part A, B and C your vertex lie on y-intercept, but in this case your vertex is not lying on y-intercept. First we have to draw equation number 1. This is x-axis, this is negative x, this is positive y and this is negative y. No matter that your positive y and negative y should be in same length, the, this is not important and this is our origin. First we have to look at the y-intercept. What is y-intercept? Y-intercept is minus 2. So if you assign 1 square is minus 1, then 2 square is minus 2. And our rise upon run is 1 upon 1. So move up 1, then 1, then move 1, then 1, then move 1, then 1, and so on. Join these 4 points. Wait, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is x is 1, this is x is 2, this is x is 3. Now join. I want to take 2 more points. Why? Just wait. So 1, 1, then 1, 1. Now join these points. But this time, this y-intercept, this one, minus 2, is not your vertex. Your vertex is 1 comma 3. So first we have to locate our vertex. 1 comma 3 means the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 3. This is 1, x1, then y1, y2, y3. This is our vertex. So our points, our graph should be V-shaped, and vertex means this point. This point is vertex. This point is vertex. So this is our vertex. It means our graph should be, for example, if our vertex is 1 comma 3, so this is 1, this is 3. But our straight line is y is equals to x minus 2 is this. So how we draw the graph of a V-shaped function? First, we take some more points from vertex. Some more points from vertex like this. Uh, in this case, okay, uh, kindly wait. I want to rub this one. Why I am rubbing this? Please wait. Please. Or should I rub the whole? Because for V-shaped graph, we must need vertex point. Sorry for this. Okay. Okay. So our question is y is equals to x minus 3 plus 1. Our vertex is 1 comma, sorry, our vertex is in part D. Actually, I made a mistake. Our vertex is not 1 3, our vertex is 3 1. This is my mistake. That's why our answer is not correct. Okay, no problem. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 1, this is 2. So our vertex is 3 1. So this is our vertex. Okay, and our y-intercept is minus 2. See this. So our graph must be passes through our graph must be passes through this point 3 1. Okay, student, kindly wait. I am checking something. Okay, one more mistake. When we drop this sign, absolute sign, we should convert this minus sign into plus sign. This one. Okay. So x plus 3 plus 1 is, I'm sorry student, x plus 4. And from this, y intercept is 4. So this is 3, this is 4. So this is our vertex and this is our y-intercept. So we have to join our vertex with y-intercept. Sorry for this, I just forgot some points. But don't worry, I will repeat again. So this is first point, and our rise upon run is same. As you know, this is our mirror point or mirror line. So this point can't change, but this is 1 from left side. This should be 1 from right side. This point is 1, 2, 3. Then, sorry, 1, 2, then 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Finally, we are able to draw this graph. So sometime teacher also forget some points, but I will repeat all steps again. Finally, we are successful to draw our graph. This is our vertex 3, 1. So what is the mistake? I did two mistakes. First, I forgot to change this minus sign into plus sign, and from this the y-intercept is 4. Then secondly, I wrote wrong vertex. I wrote x first and then y second. But sorry, I wrote y first and x second. I wrote 1 3, but the vertex was 3 1. So hope you understand. Sorry for this. Now I'm going to start last part of this question number 3. See part E. Y is equals to 2x plus 6 minus 3. So first write this equation without absolute value sign. 2x plus 6 minus 3. Y is equals to 2x plus 6 minus 3 is what? 3. So if we compare, assign the name of this equation is equation number 1. If we compare this equation by standard equation, you can see y-intercept C is 3 and the slope or gradient is 2, or you can write 2 upon 1. It means your rise is 2 and your run is 1. And vertex, this is y, and in the absolute sign 2x plus 6 should be equals to 0. Then 2x is equals to minus 6, 2 3 is minus 6, x is equals to minus 3. Hence our vertex is minus 3 comma minus 3. Hope you understand. Okay students, so we are going to start first equation number 1. So this is our x-axis, negative x, positive y and negative y. First look at y-intercept. Y-intercept is 3. Y-intercept is 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is y-intercept. 1, 2. This is y-intercept and this is origin. And where is the vertex? Vertex is minus 3, minus 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is minus 3 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this should be the vertex. Okay students, now need to draw a straight line. Our y-intercept is 3 and our gradient is 2. So 3 and 2, it means rise is 2 and run is 1. So rise is 2, 1, 2, run is 1. This is first point. I'm making some space. Then rise 2, 1. Then rise, wait, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. So I'm going to join these points. This is our straight line. But I want to check something from the answers. Just want to see answers in this book. Here we go. Exercise 1.5, question number 3. Yes, just checked. V-shaped graph, vertex at -3, -3, y-intercept 3. So we are doing 100% correct. Vertex is -3, -3. So we need to join these straight line points by our vertex. Our vertex is x -3, y -3. So need scale again. See this equation? Actually, we need one more point. If we put y is equals to 0, we will get 2x plus 3. Then minus 3 is equal to 2x. Then minus 3 upon 2 is equals to x. X is equals to minus 1.5. Why we need? Actually, we have to cross these 4 points. We have to join these 4 points by our vertex. But we need one point on x-axis. How to get one point on x-axis? We need x-intercept. How to find x-intercept? Just put the value of y 0 in the given equation. So x is equals to minus 1.5. So this is minus 1, this is minus 2, and this is minus 1.5. Now we are eligible to join these points. Look at this. Here we go. We are successful to find our vertex. Our vertex is -3, -3. So this vertex is our mirror line. So this point, okay, I want to draw mirror line because this should be the dotted line. See this. Now this point is zero point 0.5 and 1.5. So this should be 1, 1.5. This is second point. This is first point. This point is 1, 2, 3. This should be 1, 2, 3. And this point 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be 1, 2, 3, 4. This point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No need to take all points. Again, join these points by using our vertex. But I want to check all points again. This is 0.5, 1. This is 1, 1.5. Okay. Sorry, this point is wrong. This should be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This should be over here. Okay, students. So this is the mistake. Join these points. Here we go. So this is our V-shaped graph. Hope you understand. I did some mistakes, but fortunately correct all mistakes on time. So student, we have taken long class today, but we did all parts of question number 3. In next class, we will do more questions of same exercise. Today we have done question number 3, then question number 4 which we will do next class, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 5 questions remains in this exercise. I promise you we will do all questions. Students, this is our today's class. If you like today's class, kindly do subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos, and whenever you subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon button, because whenever we upload the video, you will get the notification. Okay, students, good luck for next class.